Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to solve this triangle for C. This is what you're given. So you have to use the law of sines on this since you don't know an angle and a side opposite. So we want to find C. So I guess the law of cosines is C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB times the cosine of C. So I put in 6 for A, 4 for B. I guess I put them backwards here. 4, 4, and 6 are for A and B, and then cosine 85. So then 6 squared is 36, 4 squared is 16. That sums 52. 2 times 4 is 8, times 6 is 48. And I put this in the calculator. On my particular one, I typed the cosine 85 times 48, and I come out with 4.18. I subtract, and I get 47.82. Take the square root of it, and I have an answer of 6.9. Hope this helps.